everyone, welcome back. This is Gunisha. I sound too upbeat for someone who's been suffering from a very bad cold since the past 2 days, but I made a promise to myself and to the 100 lovely people who watch my videos that I'm going to be consistent this time. So here I am. I reviewed The Housemaid Part 1 by Freida McFadden last week and I really enjoyed talking about it. And since then, I have done two things. First, I read The Housemaid is Watching by Freida McFadden, which is the second part in the Housemaid series again. And that is saying something because I don't even like to watch a movie twice, let alone read a 350-page book. The only books that I have read more than once are the Harry Potter books, and anyone who knows me knows that the Harry Potter series come before everything else for me. So if I read this book again and actually kind of enjoyed it again, that gives you enough proof to run and grab the Housemaid series right now. The second thing that I did was bought more of Freida McFadden's book Like a Crazy Person. This is probably one of the most impulse book purchases I have ever done, but I have no regrets. I love Freida's storytelling, the way she writes, and I cannot wait to get to these books. I actually even read one of these, which was Never Lie, this week after I finished reading The Housemaid's Secret, and I have lots and lots to say about both of the books. When we talk about The Housemaid's Secret, it is of course the second book in the Housemaid series, and as I mentioned in my last video, whenever there is a series of books, especially a thriller series, I am very concerned. It is very difficult for the following books to live up to the hype of the first. But I'm very happy to announce that The Housemaid's Secret is a solid 4 on 5 thriller read. Of course, the shock value and the jump scares of the first part is kind of difficult to replicate here because those of us who have read the first part already kind of know how the story is going to flow like. We have a good understanding of who Millie is, what she does, and kind of what we can expect. But in no way that means that this book is going to be a predictable or a boring one. Author Freida McFadden ensures that the book hooks you from the very first page, and it does turn out to be quite an interesting ride. The story picks up from where it left off in the first part. For Millie, it is very difficult to find an employer who does not ask too many questions about her past. So she thanks her lucky stars when the Garricks miraculously offer her a job, cleaning their stunning penthouse with views across the city and cooking fancy meals in their shiny kitchen. She can work here for a while she gets her college degree in social work. It's almost too perfect. The only problem is Millie has never met Mrs. Garrick, the mistress of the house, who apparently lives in the guest bedroom. Millie is sure she hears her crying. She notices blood spots on Mrs. Garrick's precious nightgown while she is doing laundry. And one day, Millie can't help but knock. And when the door to the guest bedroom gently swings open, what Millie sees inside changes everything. That is when Millie makes a promise. She has done this before, she can do it again. She can protect Mrs. Garrick while keeping her own secrets locked up safe. All Millie knows is Mr. Douglas Garrick has done wrong, and he is going to pay. The simple question being, how far is Millie willing to go this time? The only complaint you could say that I have with the second part is that the conclusion seems a little too hurried. The book does a great job of laying the whole drama out there with all the amazing little plot twists. But once you reach the end, the solution comes a little too easy. It's so easy that it feels a little unrealistic. The whole plot is too grand, too amazing, too much full of drama, only to the end to feel a little. Again, that in no way means that this book is not worth spending 6 to 8 hours of your life reading, or however much time it takes for you to read a 360-page book. It is simply a treat for anyone who loves psychological thrillers. Author Freida McFadden does a great job of serving you with a deliciously cooked, beautiful and dangerous story.